Hi, Jeff Simon here for SocialFlight. It is day one of Sun and Fun 2024. Very excited here, and we're going to head into our first hangar and take you inside just in case you can't be here at the show. Show you what it's like to go and check out the hangars at Sun and Fun. Let's go take a look. I absolutely love this. It's just kind of the spring break for pilots and the first chance to get in and start experiencing aviation again, especially if you come from the northern climates like I do, and it's been a cold, snowy winter, and now it's wonderful. We're going to go visit one of our friends here, which is at Continental. Hey, Tim.
How you doing?
How are you doing?
Good. Good seeing you.
This is Tim Owen at Continental Aerospace Technologies. You know, we absolutely love Continental, strong supporter of SocialFlight, but even outside of that, your engines are just fantastic. We've used it over extensive over-water flights. We've got new cylinders that we did from you, and we're going to be doing more work coming up, but how's things going?
Good, great.
Yeah?
Busy, like always.
Yeah.
It's great.
Having a good show already?
Yeah. Yes, we are.
Day one, everything's busy, and you know, what a lot of people don't know, which I think is really important, is that Continental provides not just regular Continental engines and of course, you know, rebuilt, factory new and all that, but also parts even for people that are looking for what are the essentially, you know, Lycoming replacements or your prime engines.
Yes, prime, Titan engines, PMA parts.
Yeah, so pretty much anything that's out there, you can go and check it out. But if you're here at the show, come visit Continental, get your technical questions answered about any engine that you have.
Continental or Lycoming.
All right, well, thank you so much, Tim, and thanks for all of your support along the way. Especially, I'll tell you, if you have any technical questions, Tim and the rest of the team in tech support are absolutely fantastic. So it's a really, go to the source, don't just trust anybody out there, get the right answers.
Come to the factory.
Come to the factory.
That's it.
All right, good seeing you.
Thanks, good seeing you.
Let's continue our walk around. It's a nice fun mix of new parts, used parts, all sorts of stuff, and it's busy. Aircraft Spruce has a big presence going on right now. And I'll tell you, the lines to get stuff at some point really build up, but right now they're pretty good. He said that about it bouncing around, the noise bouncing around.
Yeah, he said the noise isn't good. He didn't say that noise. He said noise isn't good. We can practice. And first we think down.
Oh, I see Lightspeed. Let's go head down that way.
Which is a tear down.
And we can save someone's booth. We love our friends here at Lightspeed. Eric Landry, how are you, sir?
Good, Jeff. Good to see you. How are you?
This is Eric Landry, Senior Director in Marketing for Lightspeed.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. I'll tell you, we've had so much fun working with all you guys over the years. It's really been fantastic. And one of the coolest things is what you're doing right now, of course, with your Delta Zulu headset. We have given away a bunch of them with the Fly
Right.
to Win challenge, and I love getting to see the feedback that we get from people who get out there and fly and compete to win, and then when they get that headset, they always write us with this wonderful thing about what it was like to use the app and get custom tuning. I think they all focus the most on the safety aspect with your Canary and the carbon monoxide detection, but so many of them talk about the clarity because, you know, pilots, we've, you know, a lot of us have hearing issues, or especially being in that environment for so long.
Sure.
So tell me how things are going.
So things are going great. The Lightspeed Delta Zulu has been out since September of 2022, and the response in the market is incredible. You know, we get a lot of stories from customers who try Lightspeed for the first time, not to mention Lightspeed Delta Zulu, and it's a game changer. It really is. It's a category all on its own. You know, we have other A&R headsets that have been on the market for a while, and they compare with our competitors great for A&R, for comfort, for quiet. But Delta Zulu, the Lightspeed Delta Zulu, you know, it's that hearing acuity profile that you can customize for yourself that keeps pilots flying. You know, they gain this confidence within being able to get tower better. There's a lot less say again, a lot more read back correct that they're getting, and it boosts that confidence. And maybe an older pilot feels a lot better staying in the air these days because of the hearing acuity feature.
And you know, one of the other things is there's a lot of features people don't normally know about, like you can record your audio.
You know, we just launched the Lightspeed app with the Lightspeed Delta Zulu. We've had Flight Link before for our Zulu 3, for our Sierra, for Tango, but now with the Lightspeed app, not only will you be able to see real-time monitoring for carbon monoxide detection, this is where you can set your hearing acuity profile, but the recording feature is great for CFIs, for students to learn how to fly better. To understand they've gone through their training flight. Let me go back and listen to it. You can keep your own library. You can do an auto playback within seconds. Like
that's such a good feature to have, right?
All these are just training tools that all these things combined just make it a safer headset.
And I think that's the key, right? It's the idea that so things like headsets are turning into safety wearables. Right. It just starts monitoring more, and I'm sure there's more to come from you as well.
There is, and we are working, you know, all the time. Our engineering department are working to bring even more safety and more, you know, ability to stay in the air, you know, for pilots. But first things first, you know, table stakes, they're comfortable. They're light. They're clear. The A&R has never been better. So, I mean, if you just want to plug and play, the Lightspeed Delta Zulu is that for you as well.
Fantastic. Well, if you're here at Sun and Fun, or even if you're not, be sure to check it all out here at Lightspeed. Lots of cool things. We use Lightspeed, both their whole product line as well as the Lightspeed H-Mod, the Zulu H-Mod that goes inside the helmets that we're using on our Mustang build. So a lot of cool things going on there, and keep in mind there's a whole product line, so there's something for pretty much every price point.
We have everything for anyone. You know, any mission out there, we've got the answer for you. And if you stop by the booth, we have a hearing acuity center, so you can try out that feature and set your own profile and see the difference.
Oh, that's
or hear
awesome.
the difference for yourself.
All right, Eric,
Jeff,
thank you so much.
Thank you so much for stopping by.
Nice to see you. A great kickoff to Sun and Fun 2024. Okay, for Sun and Fun and for SocialFlight, I'm Jeff Simon, and I wish you all blue skies.